Wanna see them of viewers, man a drive and tired and drop asleep round the steering wheel and run off of the road a Richmond St. Mary. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. My people, a brawling murder boy, you know. Man them slap we brown man party promoter down a town. Plus, today a wanted Wednesday. So no know say JCF fling up 5-man face. And where is Mr. Edwards? A youth we go missing from down a Mobile. So before me jump in at the reasoning and make on know what go on, my people, listen to what the elder you have to say. You hear that, my viewers? No morals and no dignity no the boy again. You no see man a put them body on the counter for Benz. Hey, my viewers, so as me say, hype and boots in run boy you know. Where every youth, as them chop a little money or them make a little money, them a run go buy car. Cause every man want be meat, you know. Every man want be top man, you know. Every man want be done, you know. You no notice that a run boy, you know. Eh? So as I say, my people. The youth them boy, the people them boy, no care about no morals and no dignity again. You no hear that them days are done. Them days there was when Wappy kill fill up. And you know long that. So as I say, I wish the youth them could have look into themselves, you know. And realize, you know. So all when you own 50 Beamer and 100 plane, nobody now go respect and rate you if them not genuinely rate you. Most of the rich man, them, you know, I don't think most rich man no mix up with certain people. Because them know say if you friend certain people, I beg them I go beg out your thing. Trust them I go trust out your thing. So them separate themselves from poor people and certain people. When you start elevating a life, boy, people are going to say you're hype. People are going to say this. People are going to say that. It's just up to you to focus on your journey. Because your journey is your journey. So as I say, my people, the youth them boy lose them way. The people them boy think the wrong way. Man I think for buy car instead of for own a house. You have some man boy own so much gun. And him don't even own a house for sleeping. So as I say, hyping's not going nowhere. So enough for you know where lose on the morals and the dignity. For little shilling and for little money. Just remember say at the end of the day, brother, it not worth it. Remember that. So now watch who want put them body on the table for things. And who no see them on the media. I go on like go. Get a youth. Stay firm. Remember that. So my people, walk with me. Moving on to the next topic now. See me, Romaro Patinka, aka Brown Man. Them say them money are girls, man. Them say them money are party promoter. Them say a flyer them youth a make. Say them youth are not involved in a badness. Say what could I make the killer them pull up a foot and fling 9 ball in a head and in a chest and left him flat pan him face downtown. Eh? My people, you have all type of bad man boy, you know. You have bad man where work boy, you know. Bad man where a party promoter boy, you know. Bad man when you see them you can't even tell if them a bad man boy, you know. Cause I want to understand. And not every bad man boy you walk with it pan them face. And not every bad man boy you show it. Some of them are hide and bad. As I always tell you know. So as I say my people, see me, Romario, aka Brown Man, killer them pull up a foot theme and everybody and I go say this and that. Nobody know where a man mix up in. Nobody knows if the man them come splash out Brown Man head because him take where a man girl. And that's how they think and they to boy. So as I say my people, the latest victim you wanna see on the screen, we drop on him face in a town. So no walk with me now. Today I wanted Wednesday and I don't know JCF. Always I show up some man face on Wednesday where them I look for the public for help them for bringing them money. My people, Kaka still up on the wanted list. Bush still up on the wanted list. Jeremy, Bunty and Choclo still up on the wanted list. All know squaddy can't find most of them money. And as I always say no more viewers, when a man become wanted boy, him start run. You think him sit down boy and wait for squaddy them come fling him down? Who can't stay there? Some people, them man are the 5 man them where squaddy look fine at the Wednesday. So you don't know what to do already, you know. If you don't see them man you know. So my people, walk with me again. Where is Mr. Edwards? The brother you wanna see on the screen from Iron Shore Mobile. Go missing from July 15 and now July at how much and all. No, them can't find him. I could have go on my people. Yeah, tell me say, Them done put the nigga here in a shallow grave already, head and tail settings, or a nothing like that. Or him soon forward one back, or him just gone take a walk and no member him yard. Which one may I tell you no more people? Cause we don't know the thing go boy already, you know. When man go missing boy, you know, it hard for them forward one back alive. So as what I say, where is Mr. Edwards? If you no see him anywhere road, see the number you wanna see on the screen, contact that quick and fast. Cause him family them worried. Some people wanna stay safe out there, you know. Protect on the 3 points out there, you know. And always remember this. Might look rough but enough for you know, but remember this. Nobody knows what tomorrow might bring. So never give up. Stay safe out there, my people.